Are you preparing for UPSC Mains or any other competitive exam? Or looking for a book that can guide you in writing powerful and well-structured essays? Then Essay Demystified is the book you need. This book is especially designed for students who are preparing for the civil service examinations like UPSC and state PCS. It's offer a wide collection of essays that cover important and relevant topics such as social development, economy, politics, science and technology, ethics, environment, women empowerment, contemporary issues, and even topic related to Bihar. In this book, each essay is written in a simple yet impressive style. The content is well researched and informative, helping you develop a clear understanding of the topic. The essays including a strong introduction, meaningful ideas, rich vocabularies, and logical conclusion. This helps you build your own thinking process and improve your writing skills. Whatever you are, beginner or someone looking for a quick revision, this book is equally helpful. The essay is not just diverse in topic but deep in analysis. They help you practice writing with clarity and confidence. The book is also a great resource for last-minute preparation. So, if you want to improve your essay writing and score better in the mains examination, get your copy of Essay Demystified for UPSC, CSC and other competitive exam today. Make your preparation smart and effective with the trusted guide.